cheese, was it? Is that what it was?
Hey, what are we doing?
I'm going to Dad's house and we're getting pizza. I think. Ew. Do you want some?
Maybe later.
Don't you have one cat?
2.
You only showed me one
I
picture.
know, because I hate the other one.
What color is it?
Gray.
Oh, I have a black one.
Well, mine's a poop color, and it likes your chips.
It what?
It ate your chips, remember?
Oh, yeah. I do.
Did you double that bag, or is there a hole in it?
I hope not.
Well, sometimes you have to look, because sometimes those bags have holes in the bottom of them.
No.
Well, you'd be cleaning that up.
I'm gonna throw it. Just wait, it's coming right at you.
I would
Man,
kill
if
you.
you're going, go.
Are you taking us?
No.
How are we getting home later?
Walking.
Wait, you're not going?
No.
Ridiculous. Oh, I guess we're partying tonight. Shut up!
I'm not laughing at you.
I'm gonna throw a stick.
But you didn't.
Do you want me to?
No.
Don't tell me, Colton.
Colton's here? Colton, are you going?
If you ever not answer your phone because she's there, I'll take the phone away.
My phone was on silent.
Okay, I'm just telling you.
Okay.
You take it away as quickly as you got it.
Wait, Colton!
Are you going to the Edco? Okay, well, you should probably decide now.
He's right down the driveway, so somebody better tell him something.
I'm not doing the other one. Shut up.